This 4th of July, skip the hot dogs and make a festive red, white, and blue charcuterie board instead. This is perfect for parties or barbecues because you know there's going to be something for everyone on the board, and it's so easy to make. All you need is some red, white, and blue fruit, and then some white accents like cheese or white pretzels, and then I also sprinkled some red, white, and blue candies in too, just for fun. If you liked this video or if you want to make your own charcuterie board, be sure to tag us at Better Homes and Gardens on Instagram so we can see what you made.